Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Mario and I work for INNEO Solutions, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to create an object that is invisible to the camera but still casts a shadow. So as you can see in front of us, we've got a quad bike on a ground plane. On this ground plane I've got a drywall material, and as you can see I've added a displacement to it just to add a little bit more depth to the material itself. Now I want to get a little bit of light into my scene. As you can see, at the moment I've got quite a dark HDRI, so I'm going to go to Edit, Add Geometry, I'm going to go to Plane, and I'm just going to make sure that the size of my plane is about right, so I think 300, nice round number. I'm just going to go ahead and position this plane appropriately, so I'm just going to zoom out and just pan it a little bit over to the right. A bit more. I just want it so that the plane is like relatively far away, and when we make it into an area light, will give us a nice even spread of light across the scene. Just gonna raise it a little bit. Okay. So, I've applied an area light to my plane. Just going to turn off the 3D dragger. And I'm just going to boost the light, the power of the light, just to get more fill in there. Okay, 12,000 lumens sounds about right. And now I want to go and add a cube in there, just to get some nice harsh shadows in this scene. Just going to make this cube nice and big. Get some nice tall shadows. I'm going to snap it to the ground. Zoom out a bit. And I'm just going to position the cube kind of like halfway over the quad bike. And I'm just going to push it back, obviously so the geometry isn't clashing. There we have it, got some nice heavy shadows there. Turn off the move tool, and I'm now going to just go ahead and change the material of our cube to an emissive material because of the options that are available to us. So as you can see, the options that we have checked currently are visible to camera, visible in reflections, and two-sided. I'm going to uncheck all these and recheck visible in shadows, and as you can see, while the cube isn't visible to the naked eye, it is visible as far as the lighting system is concerned. So we've got the same sort of shadows. Apologies for that, the denoise is just clearing up the image for me. So we've still got the shadows present in the image. With that in mind, the only thing left to do is to get rid of this footprint that we have here. So I'm just going to go over to the move tool, get my 3D dragger back again, and all I'm going to do is just move it slightly above the ground plane. And as you can see, the footprint becomes a lot less noticeable. And that concludes our video for today. So thanks for watching.